Hello everybody, welcome to my another tutorial. Today we're going to make a printing text in Scratch. So you can go to the link in the comment below and it will have the link to the original text print. So check that out, go check that out below. Anyways, in the costumes, you can see that in the costumes, we're going to wait for this to load. You can see there's a lot of costumes, a lot of text, even has spaces. So now let's try and make this one. Okay, so first we're going to make a new block and name it print text, and make an input and name it text. Okay, so here is our new block. So we can sit over there and go. First we have to find out how much it takes. So create a clone of itself and then the original spray. Is it? To be Jackalope. Okay, so let's see. So the original is over here. 79 minus 49. 79 minus 49. Minus 49. And you're going to see that it's going to equal 30. So now we want to go 30. And then we're going to drag the text up here. We're going to make a new variable called letter of text. Set letter of text to 0, and then we're going to repeat the length of text. Move. Drag this in. Switch costume to letter of text. This. Then right there, you can just add a change letter of text by 1 and create a clone of myself. So let's see what this does. So we're going to print the text. Hello. Maybe something's wrong there. Okay, as you can see, it's moving that. But I guess we want to move 20 steps. Maybe that's better. As you can see, it spells out hello, like we want it to spell. Now let's try another symbol. Let's see what this does. Okay, it prints other symbols. Now let's try. Yep, as you can see, that occurs. And so now we can now that's a great printing text. Now let's make it print something conjoined. Let's make it print text join hello. Add another join with exclamation mark and then put your username inside of it. Edit check length. That's good. The length of hello, join username. Yeah, so prints out my username, you can see it up here, and hello, with the exclamation mark at the end. So, I guess that is it for this tutorial, but if you want more tutorials, you can go click the subscribe button if you want to. If you want more tutorials, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.